Good morning, everybody. Forex market. We're back, ladies and gentlemen. Friday morning today, last day of the week. We got the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. Just a bit of a follow-up on the situation here. Last time we've been here was on the 29th of October, so roughly about 8-9 days ago, right? Price was pretty much, we already reached the target, right? We've marked a big target at 75.48. And we had an active position. We were able to make a very nice profit here. When price started to turn around after seemingly breaking out, but not really, just setting up some bullish trap, right? Then we called it out, and we got in. And when price reached 75.48, we were out. But we kept our bearish conviction because we thought price was gonna come back all the way until it hits the previous lows, right? But we didn't really participate in this part. We didn't really take that part. Price went up. We thought it might go up as far as 77.42, and if it checks on that level and then starts to turn around, that would be an opportunity for us to jump back in and reinitiate that bearish campaign. But price didn't get there. Pretty much halfway through, it started to come back off. And we were already involved, in other trading opportunities anywhere. But we kept an eye on this one. Now, the reason we kept an eye on this one was not to call this out, by hitting the final destination, though we set here at 74.50, which is nice in its own. But what we really were interested in was the next move, right? Because if you count the legs right here, we can clearly see, right, that was a crazy leg here, but it was officially it's one leg, right? And then so it was 1, 2, 3, and then all the way down 4. So we were highly suspicious that price was going to turn back up and start to build up the next one, right? The next leg is going to be the fifth leg here, taking us back to where price came from, right? Namely 77.43. So. And the official trigger here has to be 75.47. So we're talking about a short, quick move, right? A couple of days, few days move, 200 pip, But what we can start before, right? We can start before price actually breaks through 75.47 because price took the previous lows just now. So that's big, right? That's pretty important stuff. So price just now, right? Just now sliced the area below the previous lows we had here, right? Both of them. So, and I still kept here that green dotted line just representing these previous lows. It's not an actual key level, right? It's just a freestyle kind of level to represent these previous lows, right? So, but we know it's an area. The whole area here is is in play. Anyway, if price is going to find some support here and start to turn around, that's where we're going to be really interested. And we might pull the trigger before it actually breaks 75.47, because 75.47 we'll use as kind of a testing ground. If price can break through, then we're going to get this much bigger. Yeah, I'm talking about the position, of course, and try to take more risk. But only after the break, the breakout of 75.47 as the main obstacle right now, standing in the way. But we think we should see here, leg number 5 going back up. So we will be targeting 77.43, right? Right now we're trading at 74.40. So about 300 pip from this point forward. Interesting situation here, euro versus New Zealand dollar. Basically, the bottom line is as follows: we're flipping over. Right, that we're flipping over. We're starting to come up with a bullish conviction on this one. Obviously, we haven't coupled that conviction with an active position yet, but we're willing to look into that if price will do all the things that I've just described here. All right, guys, that's about that. You're in New Zealand. Join us on the next one. We're going to be talking about the gold. So see you then. Cheers.